if there's decreased energy, decreased libido, in post 40 males, that's probably something that you'd want to get, at least have the discussion with your chiropractor or your doctor. Men's Health Month, important month. I would say as men, we need to start taking a look, taking care of ourselves. Our wives can't do it for us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And they certainly can't exercise and move for us. The good thing about Men's Health Month is if your wife or significant other cooks and kind of eats any bit healthy, that usually helps us out a lot. So having those good habits, good eating habits, staying active, working, summer, obviously summer up here, there's lots of outdoor activities to do, and just kind of keeping everything in mind that the more you work, the more you work outside, probably the better you're going to feel. There's a couple excellent examples. One, this is in the Midwest what we call softball season, and if you are technically softball guy, you are probably killing it on the weekends playing 5 to 10 softball games a weekend in a tournament, and generally people can get pretty sore, worked out, they're weekend warriors. So lots of sports injuries, lots of yard mowing injuries, the unbelievable mowing injury, the sprained ankle, or just the soreness of putting mulch down is a dangerous job as well. So keeping in mind that you're going to probably be using muscles and lifting and twisting that you have not been doing for most of the year so far. Keeping that in mind that people are probably going to need to get adjusted and have aches and pains. Icing is always an important one, but specifically actually working outside, making sure that you're drinking plenty of water. Beer is, even if it's light beer, is not a substitute for water. Even though many will obviously try to push that comparison. But it's better to drink water, stay hydrated, obviously use some sunblock if you're going to be out in the sun all day, and just know that you're going to need time to recover. Other than that, other health issues like serious health issues, just make sure that if you're out hiking, things like that, you check for tick bites. Ticks are, obviously an issue up here in Ohio, Pennsylvania, this area. So make sure you don't get any rashes, make sure you don't have any ticks on you. I would say just one quick note on cardiovascular issues are, if you're outside and you're doing, strenuous work, lifting, things like that, and you're having any kind of shortness of breath on normal activities, certainly everybody should probably check with their primary care to make sure, especially if they're over the age of 50, making sure that there are no blockages or that their heart's working pretty well. Shortness of breath is generally probably one of the first signs that you're, that there's something more serious going on. I would say, as the temperatures are creeping up here, I'd probably say just be aware of, any kind of, skin abnormalities, skin cancer. If anything looks different, feels different, make sure to get that checked out. Case by case, certainly the most important thing is over the age of 40, obviously we stop producing as much testosterone as what we previously have. Obviously, diet, body composition affects that more than really anything. So certainly any kind of testosterone booster, I haven't compared all of them, but there's certainly some standard process things. There's things you can do with your diet to help out as well, but usually increase in exercise is probably one of the most beneficial.